Understanding how to find inspiration is key to keeping your art vibrant and alive. Sometimes inspiration is a no-show. In those moments, art becomes work. It's a reality often overlooked, yet crucial to acknowledge. For artists, especially those of us committed to the daily ritual of sketching and drawing, not every stroke of the pencil is driven by a profound burst of inspiration. There are days when the blank pages of our sketchbooks seem daunting, almost defiant. But here's a truth I've learned. Action can lead to inspiration. The very act of drawing, even without the initial spark of inspiration, can itself become the catalyst for creativity. It's like setting off on a journey without a clear destination, only to find the path itself reveals where you need to go. In these moments of artistic labor, discipline becomes our ally. The commitment to daily practice, to persistently sketch and draw even when the muse is silent, is what separates the fleeting hobbyist from the dedicated artist. This dedication to the craft, even in the absence of inspiration, is often where we find our deepest and most unexpected creative breakthroughs. So when inspiration seems distant, remember, pick up your pencil, start drawing, and let the simple act of creating lead you to new and unexplored territories of inspiration. Understanding inspiration, especially in the context of art, is like trying to catch smoke with your hands. Artistic inspiration is elusive, often unpredictable, yet undeniably powerful. It's more than just a good idea or a sudden urge to create. It's a deep-seated drive that compels us to express ourselves through our art. The psychological aspect of feeling inspired is both complex and personal. Inspiration can surge from a well of emotions, a flash of a memory, or a spark of imagination. For some, it's an overwhelming wave of passion, while for others, it's a quiet whisper nudging them towards their sketchbook. This psychological component, this inner stirring, is what transforms a mundane scene or a simple thought into a compelling piece of art. In art, the forms of inspiration are as varied as the artists themselves. For some, inspiration might come from the natural world, a pattern of leaves, the play of light and shadows in a jungle, while others might find their muse in urban landscapes, human interactions, or even the works of other artists. The beauty of inspiration in art is that it knows no boundaries. It can be as grand as a mountain range or as subtle as the curve of a smile. What matters most is how these inspirations translate onto the pages of our sketchbooks, taking shape through our unique perspectives and styles. When it comes to sketchbook drawing, the richest source of inspiration often lies within us. Our emotional experiences and personal stories are like a reservoir of creative fuel. Think about it. Every emotion, every significant moment in our lives can be translated into art. A sketch can capture the essence of joy, the depths of sorrow, or the complexity of nostalgia. These personal experiences, when poured onto the paper, not only become relatable art, but also a form of catharsis for the artist. Dreams, imagination, and inner thoughts form another profound wellspring of inspiration. Our subconscious mind, with its boundless dreams and untamed imagination, can be an inexhaustible source of ideas. Sometimes the most surreal, captivating sketches are born from the fragments of a dream or a fleeting thought. In the quiet moments with our sketchbook, these fragments can be nurtured into fully fledged artworks. Lastly, introspection and self-awareness play a crucial role. To tap into our inner world, we must be willing to explore it. This exploration is more than just acknowledging our thoughts and feelings. It's about understanding them, questioning them, and seeing how they can be manifested in our art. Sketching provides a unique opportunity for this self-exploration. As we draw, we engage in a silent dialogue with ourselves, learning more about who we are and how we see the world. This introspective process not only fuels our creativity, but also enriches our artistic expression. Beyond the realms of our inner thoughts and emotion lies a vast expanse of external sources of inspiration, each rich with potential to ignite the creative spark in drawing in your sketchbook. Nature and the environment are timeless muses for artists. The natural world offers an endless array of forms, colors, and textures to draw from. A single leaf, the way the shadows play on a tree trunk, or the vast expanse of a landscape can all translate into powerful sketches. Nature does not just inspire visually, it stirs a sense of wonder and connection that can deeply influence the way we approach our art. Culture, history, and societal issues provide a more cerebral source of inspiration as well. They encourage artists to engage with the world in a meaningful way, translating complex narratives and emotions into visual art. Sketching historical landmarks, cultural motifs, or as scenes depicting social issues can be a form of expression and also a commentary. Other artworks and artists are also invaluable sources of inspiration. Observing and studying the works of others can open up new avenues of creativity and technique. It's not about imitation, but rather about learning and finding elements that resonate with your own style and expression. External sources of inspiration are about connecting with the world around us and translating that connection into our sketchbook art. Whether it's through the beauty of the natural world, the complexity of societal narratives, or the influence of other artists, these sources enrich our art and broaden our creative horizons. In the journey of sketchbook drawing, embracing new experiences and learning is fundamental. Every new experience, whether it's a trip to an unfamiliar place, a conversation with a stranger, or even a different genre of music, can spark a new idea or perspective in our art. These experiences broaden our understanding of the world and, in turn, enrich the narratives and emotions we capture in our sketches. Being open to new experiences means being ready to capture unexpected moments of beauty and insight in our art. Experimenting with different mediums and styles is another crucial aspect. As artists who primarily draw and work with a sketchbook, we often have preferred tools and techniques, but stepping out of our comfort zones can lead to astonishing creative growth. Trying a new drawing medium like charcoal or ink, or experimenting with a different style like abstract or impressionistic sketching can transform the way we express ourselves on paper. This experimentation not only refines our skills, but also helps us discover new facets of our artistic identity. The importance of continuous learning cannot be overstated. The world of art is ever evolving, and so should our approach to it. Attending workshops, engaging with other artists, and even studying art history can provide invaluable insights. Continuous learning keeps our art fresh and relevant. It encourages us to keep questioning, exploring, and evolving, ensuring that our sketchbook is not just a collection of drawings, but a growing testament to our artistic journey. Remember, every page of your sketchbook is an opportunity, a space where emotions, experiences, and observations can be translated into art. Whether you find inspiration in the depths of your own thoughts and feelings, in the beauty and complexity of the outside world, or in the vast pool of knowledge and technique, each sketch is a step in your artistic journey. So keep your sketchbook close and your mind open. Let your pencil flow freely across the pages, capturing not just images, but pieces of yourself and the world around you. Art, after all, is not just about creating, it's about connecting, exploring, and continually growing as an artist and as an individual. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. Thanks.